we got mango. Today we're gonna be doing something different. We're going to be trying the 3 parrot aloe flavors that I have not tried yet. We got pomegranate, mango, strawberry. Let's get into it. That's really good. That's hella good. It's actually really good. Next, strawberry. That's good too. Now we got mango. I'd say that's pretty good. Now I'm gonna rank all the flavors. In 7th place, watermelon. In 6th place, pineapple. In 5th place, mango. 4th place goes to strawberry. 3rd place, coconut. In 2nd place, the original flavor, my favorite. In 1st place, pomegranate. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you next time.